We are out here at Glen Helen. We are here with the Bonfire Glen Helen series. We have our kids racing the Rzr 200s, and just another year of learning the craft of racing and just enjoying the great outdoors. It's super windy today. It's howling wind, which means the track is going to be dry. They're going to do whatever they can to keep it wet, but it's not going to happen. So they're either going to overwater or underwater, which is going to make for unique track conditions. We'll do everything we can to learn and adapt. The boys just need to keep practicing and getting better. So it's super fun to be out here in Glen Helen and just putting the laps in. And these type of conditions will just make them better on the easy days. If I say smart lines, then do what's comfortable. But if I say aggressive lines, that means you're not in first place or somebody's catching you, okay? So if I say aggressive, that means you gotta go. Well, today is about smooth lines. We're on the track with other kids that have different karts, like they're modified differently, so it's all about just understanding, doing what's best for our cars and not focusing on other kids. Focus on your own lines. We're good, dude. Have fun. Qualifying's done, doing good. I think Ryan getting 55 miles of desert driving in last week at the desert has helped him a lot. Evan's still learning. He's a little nervous right now. The wind's not helping. He can barely hear the radio. So just gonna focus on lines and making sure that we're doing everything we can to stay smooth and stay consistent. Okay, the kid in front of you is the same car, so you're gonna have to pass him. He is not faster than you. You are faster than him. Focus on your own line. You're no one around you. Good, let's go.
I don't know which one's which.
Good job, Bryce. You got your all clear. Drive your line. Stressful. Let's see where we're at. Heart rate spiked. 131 beats a minute. Sitting here spotting. It's ridiculous.
You know what he placed or any of them?
Yeah, he won. What's up in that corner? Passing you every time. Why? What do you think you're doing?
Outside?
I don't know. I can't see.
Did I win?
You won. But what's up? Like,
Inside
she almost passed you.
No, it's not her. What place did I get?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe fourth or fifth. Hey, you're doing good. You started in the back.
The outside broke fast, but she was getting me on the inside.
It was.
When it hits full speed, it just stops. Like, it slows down.
Yeah, it's because it's got the speed limit.
Oh,
But is it too slippery, you think?
yeah, a little bit.
Like, I can lower your tire pressures a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's gonna make you go slower though down the straightaways.
It's fine. It's water.
But yeah, but I need to figure out what you're doing in that corner.
Chase that guy down. He was a whole straightaway ahead of you.
Where'd you
Every
sprint out
straightaway,
at?
you'd get him by this much.
Where'd you sprint out at?
On the straightaway, it's like, you know the checkered flag guy?
Yeah.
That straightaway.
I didn't see
Like that
it.
turn.
Oh, on the first start, you mean?
Oh, yeah. I like stayed in my knob tire.
Oh, that's okay. We learn. It's all learning. You guys, very proud.
Good job, mister.
It's gone from cold to colder and windy to windier. That pretty much sums up the day. Both doing really good. Ryan's currently leading and Evan's in fourth. We got to get him out of the corners a little bit faster. I don't know what happens, but we lose a little bit of, maybe 6 or 8 feet in 3 different corners out there. So it's hard to pass somebody, but we're getting better.
Whatever you can do down here, perfect line, buddy. Day of racing done. Great day of racing, great day of learning. The boys did fantastic. Not sure results yet. We think there's some mix up in classes, but overall, Ryan was running up front and Evan was only a couple positions behind him. So I'm proud of both boys. We're learning racecraft. There's some fierce competitors out there and we're having fun battling with them. So very excited for all the learning that the boys are doing. So it's a little windy out at Glen Helen and it's just part of the adventure. Nothing's easy. So here we are working for it.